is everywhere. In point of fact, humans are more water than solid. It is arguably the most enigmatic element we know, and we need it badly. Water may be ubiquitous, but its potential scarcity now challenges every government around the world. Without water, you cannot make any kind of assumption, because you wouldn't exist. People living in tropical and subtropical regions suffer more than most, with extremes of climate that directly compromise regular energy and water supplies. The Ocean Thermal Energy Corporation represents a point of light here, proving the fact that there is naturalism in science and engineering. The corporation understands seawater extremely well, in particular, how to synthesize its form. That's because even the smallest fraction of seawater is poisonous to us, deadly poisonous because of the salts within it. Considering its age-old significance, it's surprising how late we've arrived at a scientific understanding of the seas as a resource. Yet, in over 10 years of analysis, the OTE Corporation has developed the most intimate knowledge of our oceanic hydrosphere. To this corporation, we live on planet water, not planet Earth. It's scientists participating in the design and build of the world's first-generation thermal energy model. We are remarkably ignorant of the dynamic that drives the seas, but the OTE Corporation has a measured engagement with all seven, helping to both respect and employ the Earth's biggest system, advancing a new thermal energy science that accounts as acceptable behavior in our emerging Earth-conscious world. The OTE Corporation now offers the tropical regions a new future and a new scientific discipline, an area that influences the lives of over 3 billion people. The institutional world has largely ignored the seas as an energy source, but after 10 years of devoted science, modern seawater interpretations have undergone a revolution in understanding. It is a new technology that is sophisticated, groundbreaking, and doing the job all good science should do, sustainably. The corporation's vision is now fully realized as it seeks to build communities around the world that employ its fossil fuel and carbon-free energy and water. The first eco-villages are planned for the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Others will quickly follow suit across the Caribbean, African, and Asian continents, all producing baseload renewable electricity and water for drinking, food production, and economic development. Simply put, in tropical and subtropical regions, the oceans can now be viewed as a source of energy and water, an immeasurably more significant fact than any large power situation. It's a model that will transform the understanding and relationship with our oceans, solving one of the greatest puzzles of oceanography. What 50 years ago might have seemed wishful thinking is today an undeniably scientific fact. We can drink the sea, and more, we can secure 24/7 renewable energy from it. With the necessity for science and sustainability to work in harmony, it is a new and vital science coming at just the right time. While governments adopt stronger environmental regulations by taxing carbon emissions and cutting subsidies to polluting industries, the OTE Corporation is now commercializing an extant, sustainable, eco-friendly technology that's ready to go. What's clear is what is at stake if we don't commit to this technology, as access to water becomes increasingly more scarce. Today, the corporation's activities are monitored with interest. A sustainable commodity business unlike gas, oil, or coal, offering something essential with simple science and engineering. It's in the same top league of energy capture as solar, a consideration with an ocean of possibilities. A high-resolution answer to our future needs for baseload renewable energy and drinking water. Managing the planet is just a feat of the imagination, and the OTE Corporation is its most recent shining example. Be a part of the new energy and water revolution. Contact Jeremy Feekins for more information.